Hello students, I welcome you all for today's session. The topic for today's session is list. We frequently prepare and use list. For example, it could be grocery list or to-do list. Likewise, both printable and displayed information is littered with list. HTML allows us to specify list within documents. We are going to see different types of list. First list, unordered list. In case of unordered list, the order of the list items is not important. The unordered list always starts with the UL tag. Every list item is listed under the LI tag. The list items will be marked with bullets, small black circles by default. Any tags can appear in a list item, including nested list. We can also use the list style type property to define the style of the list item marker. It can have one of the following values, such as disk, circle, square, or none. Let's see an example of unordered list. We have prepared an unordered list consisting of 3 items. The list items are enclosed within the LI tag and the entire thing is enclosed within the UL tag. So we have 3 list items over here, BCA, BBA and BCom. Now we will see a brief demo on the unordered list. So first I open the notepad where I am going to type the code. Just increase the font size. Okay, so starting with the HTML tag, followed by the heading tag, title, I will be giving the title as unordered list, close the title tag, close the head tag, and then comes the body tag. Because my list is an unordered list, I am going to specify it as UL. And all the list items will be enclosed within the LI tag. So I write it as BCA, close the LI tag, BBA, and then close the LI tag. Coming to the last item of my list, BCom. Okay, now I need to close the list, unordered list, body, and then HTML. You have to always remember, you have to save the file with the extension .html. So I am going to save it as example 6.html. I've saved it in the desktop. Okay, so now let's see the output for this one. Right click on this and I say open with Google Chrome. You can see the output. It looks like a list and by default we have bullets marked. Now if I want to change the list item markers, I need to use the list style type attribute for the unordered tag. So I will make some changes over here. You can just observe the changes. I am going to use the style attributes of the unordered list is equal to list style type colon, I write it as circle. Okay, so I am going to save it. Now let us check the output. You can see previously it was marked with bullets. It is not, in case of circle, it is not solid filled. Okay, so this is one type of item marker which we can use. Let's try another one. So we have circle, disk, square. So I have changed the type to square. Now let us check the output. You all can observe the list item marker is changed to square from circle. Now what will happen if I specify it as none? Nothing is being displayed. There is no list item marker. So this is how the unordered list is going to work. So students, we will see about ordered list in the next class. Thank you students.